guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lena. I am a first year, third grade teacher in Arizona. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. Today is very exciting. We are moving into my classroom. I have been waiting for this day for so long and it's here. So I thought I would take you guys on my little journey. And yeah, so let's just jump right on to the video. Okay, we made it inside. It took, how long do you think that took? 30 minutes? 45 minutes, yeah. So here it is, all my stuff. And I think the first thing we're gonna do is kind of get this clear so we can put this white brick on it. So yeah. Heck yeah, baby! Alright, you guys, so this is me entering the shot. I didn't really realize that my pants kind of just tugged at my bottom half. So I apologize. If you think it's a distraction, just please click out of the video. Thanks. Okay, a little update. Looking good. And we have this belt and we have two more. Those are going over there. But I think I'm gonna need to get more of this because I don't think we have enough. But it is looking cute. Okay, so we are getting it done. So that's what that looks like. Abby is finishing the last cubby. And I am working on getting this tape off. I think it's washi tape. It is not easy. Well, I go, it's not easy to come off and it comes off in one strip. But you should see the trash can. Like, this side took me so long. That's actually so funny that it just happened. All right, let's try it again. Oh yeah, see. We got some food. Is there any napkins? Yeah. Okay, good. But this is the process. Again, we finally got these done. So what I'm planning on doing is putting like shelves in these to act as cubbies, basically. Okay, let's look at what this looks like in here. Oh my. Yeah, ew, that's a gross umbrella. Oh. Okay. Okay, so this is the teacher desk. It was completely full. And I think that's a nail, fingernail. And then yeah, so I'm definitely not keeping this. I am putting it outside because this is disgusting. Are you guys seeing my vision?
Flakes all over the floor. Frosted flakes? Well, they do serve breakfast here.
Guys, look at all these toilet paper rolls. Like, this entire bag is full of them. There's some in here, but this teacher almost like just never cleaned all this stuff up here.
Empty cupcake wrappers, like used. And I hate to see her house.
I hate to see her house, Mom said. How's it going?
breakfast sandwich.
But see, I don't think this will fit sideways. Do you think it will?
No, but I almost kind of want to put it on. I don't know.
Yeah, it's kind of like a really big, I don't know.
Actually, measure
That and all of that. Yeah, I need to go through that. These are like all my math manipulatives. Ew, I just stepped on all that stuff. And here it comes with me. You guys, the state. Oh. All your stuff. So.
crystals.
The state of this classroom, come on, focus, is just, oh goodness.
More toilet paper rolls.
But this wall is really coming along. Mom, you are an angel for doing this. It's so cute. Say hi. I'm about to clean this. It is, you can't. Come on, focus. It is so dirty. So yeah, we're gonna clean this. I really hope they can hear you all the way in there on this camera, because
Well, look, this is a fun game, and there's literally not a single.
I can't. I'm kind of stuck.
You put the pieces in it. And it's timed, and you have to get all the pieces in. And
I don't
when
remember
the timer
it.
ends, it jumps up and it all makes a mess. But there's literally not a single piece.
So that's going in the trash. Wow, that I don't know who does that. Like, also with like this Connect 4. Yeah. All right, guys, an hour has passed. It's 3:04. I ran to Lakeshore Learning to grab more paper because we ran out just a little bit. So my mom just has that left. And so this is kind of what it's looking like. It's a big mess. And if you can, all that's trash, and like, look at this, nasty. So I just love that when you're walking you can see the brick. It's so cute. And then my cubbies are done. I love these. I want more of them, but those are done. And then my sister was amazing, and she cleaned this out, and we put this cabinet there. It fits perfectly. I don't know why they just, it's because of that. That's probably why that was here, so that has something to sit on, but we figured out a space. And so this just looks way better. And then this brown cabinet was here, and in these shelves it was this wooden one right down there, and they just were broken. And so I found this tension rod. I wanted to get one, but my mom found one in the classroom. I don't know why. And so this is going to be like my little closet where I could hang like jackets or something, or I don't know, but I think it's so cute. And then these two also came with the classroom. They're separate, as you can tell, but they're not in the best condition. Like this top one totally like is not connected, but we just put them on top of one another, and it actually looks really nice. And so my sister kind of started there. And in here are all of like the tanograms and math manipulatives. And that's my Engaged New York or Eureka Math bin. And these are all curriculum that I have to go through. And then all of these books I also have to go through. My sister and my mom have been so helpful. Am I right, ladies? This is trash too. So yeah, it's looking good. And our lunch is still on the counter. That's okay. But yeah, it's getting along. Looking so good. Look at them. Look at this wall. So we just put this, oh whoa, be careful. We just put this up. My sister's stapling it. We were gonna use, oops. We're gonna use these. Yeah. Look how cute that looks.
Okay, so we wanted to see what the classroom looked like with the tables down, because when they were stacked on top of one another, it just really blocked the view of what the classroom looked like as a whole. These obviously will not stay like this because students cannot be 6 feet apart like this, but we don't really know what's going to happen. So these tables weren't even in my plan originally because I was going to take them out and use flexible seating. So yeah, we're just kind of figuring it out, but these are kind of just here as a place for now. And then in the next clip, I totally forgot to take an end video of the classroom before I left. I was so exhausted. So I hope you guys don't mind the awkward, crammed view. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy.
And I put that up there. So these desks are very awkward. I don't really know what they're gonna do if we require 6 feet apart because they can't do that. But basically have this whole wall brick, and then I got these from Walmart. It's gonna be perfect. And then my small group table that is not centered, but it's okay. All right, you guys, I am back home. What a day. That was a long one. It was like 6 hours total. It was so much fun though. We did a lot. We did the wall, we built the shelves. Well, my mom did the wall. I'm giving her all that credit. She just did so good. And then, yeah, we went through a lot of trash. There was a lot of trash. The teacher before kind of just left, and a lot of things need to be thrown away. And the closet, the ground was just disgusting. But yeah, so we did all that today, the nitty and gritty. And then tomorrow I'm going to be more decorating. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!